Yeah? Feel me?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, that's just to show that there's power into the socket. I'm now going to plug the defective fridge. As you can see, plugged in. Take the cable, unplug the live. As you can see, it is live and showing 13 volts. Plug that into. It just tripped out the fuse. Just heard the fuse go. No power. Nothing. Unplug. Plug this back in. It's not reading anything because the fuse is gone. Follow me round to the front. I'll go to the fuse. You point to the fuse box in there. Into the fuses. Right. I know what fuse it is because I've had to replace them all. Now sod to get out. And if you can see, the fuse has blown. If I replace the fuse, put a new fuse in, go around the other side. We've now got power. Thank you. Switch off.